Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to transform this boring plain wall into a beautiful feature wall. After you measure your wall, you're going to need to buy molding trim. Next, you're going to cut it down to make transportation easier. I chose to cut it down to 8 feet long. Next, these are the tools you're going to require. The list will be in the description below. So we're going to first start with our vertical pieces, making sure they're all straight. Perfect. Next, we're going to move on to doing the horizontal pieces. Measure and cut. I always like to say measure twice and cut once. Because your walls may not be all straight, I recommend cutting each piece individually and laying them out for yourself. Use a brad nailer to nail everything in. Then, using white caulking, you're going to caulk in all the gaps, making sure you go slow and steady all the way around. Afterwards, you're going to fill in all the large gaps and nail holes with putty. I love this product because it changes color from pink to white when it dries. Now it's time to sand. I went from a 120 to a 220 grit sandpaper using a palm sander. I highly recommend getting one of these if you don't already have one. Life-changing. Take your time with sanding. This is the step that will make the joints between the vertical and horizontal pieces seamless. Now it's time to prep for paint. Make sure you're protecting all the surrounding areas. Now choose your paint color. My personal favorite is blue. Love my blue. Now we're ready to paint. Start by painting the perimeter and outer borders of each square with a brush. I recommend going nice and slow to avoid any missed spots. Then you're going to move on to the larger surfaces of your feature wall with a roller. I had to do 2 coats to get a deeper blue color that I was looking for. Once dry, put your cover plates back on. Lastly, clean up and remove all the tape surrounding your feature wall. There you have it, your brand new feature wall in less than 2 days. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.